Well, now let's head over to the Mr. Food Test Kitchen where Howard is working on a quick recipe.
If you're tired of serving the same few things for dinner week after week, then you're going to love what we're cooking up today. Plus, it's done in less than 30 minutes. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. We start by sauteing a few boneless, skinless chicken breasts that we've seasoned with salt and pepper in a heavy skillet. The reason I like a heavier skillet, like a cast iron one, is that it holds the heat and browns better. While that does its thing, in another skillet, we saute some chopped onion in a bit of olive oil. Once it's tender, we toss in some cherry tomatoes that we've cut in half, a few Greek olives, lots of fresh garlic, and a touch of oregano. After this simmers for a bit, we add in some fresh lemon juice, and we're good to go. Check out how amazing this looks when we spoon the flavor-packed sauce over the chicken and top it with chunks of feta. Now, this is my idea of fast food. So here's what I suggest. Go online and get the recipe for our quick as a wink Greek chicken, so you'll have a new favorite to add to your weeknight lineup. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a tender, juicy Greek way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.